Howdy. Most people have no idea that their car is blowing air through this. Let me show you how to fix it in under 2 minutes. Your cabin air filter keeps the air inside your car clean, but most people never change it. It's usually right behind the glove box. Just open it up and pop off this panel. Slide the old filter out and make sure to keep it upright because there may be dirt, dust, bugs, leaves on the top side and you don't want those to fall out. Here's the difference between the old and the new one. In order to install the new one, just snap it into place. Just make sure that you line up the airflow arrows in the same direction. And finally, we'll just take the plastic filter retainer and install it back in this slot and close the glove box. And that's it. Just takes a couple minutes and it makes a huge difference in your air quality. If you feel like this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.